Hi, I'm Sridhar. I'm a software engineer here at Gauss Labs. I've previously worked at different companies ranging from startups to global companies and also ranging from gaming industry to cloud computing. And most recently, I worked at Amazon and AWS. Yeah, firstly, I've previously never worked in the manufacturing industry before. The complexity and scale of manufacturing data are known to be very challenging, and this definitely sounded interesting to me. As a software engineer, it's a rare opportunity to be working with large scale semiconductor manufacturing data and systems in an isolated cloud environment. Secondly, I thought what Gauss Labs is currently developing would create a huge impact on the semiconductor manufacturing industry. During my interview with Gauss Labs, I got to learn more about Panoptus, which is the suite of products we are building here. It is currently very specific to semiconductor manufacturing problems. However, it is also being built in an extensible way to scale to other manufacturing domains. So I wanted to be part of productizing this solution. And lastly, for me, who I work with is as much important as what I work on. I had a bit of an advantage here as I knew about the culture at Gauss Labs even before joining. But even during my interview, I could really feel how talented people are and how teams collaborate with each other very efficiently, regardless of the team's physical location. The work here itself is interesting and challenging. We are currently building a generalized data pipeline that can scale to more than 1,000 manufacturing processes. And it deals with high frequency, real time fault detection and classification data and measurements data. And this pipelines process more than 50 different types of process metadata as well. While I have prior experience in various other domains as a software engineer, this is definitely challenging for me and it gets me excited. We also move fast but strategically. Gauss Labs is such a fast moving environment. We are constantly improving our product and developing new products, but at the same time, we are also working on strategic efforts with long-term vision for quality and maintainability of our products. And we have very supportive teams. I work not only with my colleagues in the product engineering team, but also with colleagues from product management, research, and the AI engineering team. It's fun and interesting to work with people from very different backgrounds. I was recently involved in developing a demonstrable version of one of our products. We launched an AI-based virtual metrology solution called Panoptus VM late last year and successfully deployed it to our first customer. Now we are working on reaching out to new customers, and the best way of selling it is by showing it, right? We had less than a month to get it ready, so we formed a task force, and long story short, this was quite fun and successful. I was in charge of developing the demo version of the product, and to do so, I worked with the product management team to understand the semiconductor manufacturing domain better, with the research team to integrate the product with synthetic data, with the AI engineering team to simulate model inferences, and with the business development team to understand different product use cases. The tight schedule and the scale of work that needed to be done made it very challenging, but we successfully pulled it off as a team. This is such a difficult question, but Gaussian core values come to my mind. We have 4 core values. You can actually see it from a background image here. We have dare the impossible, team up for growth, act with ownership, and go above and beyond. I think Gaussians particularly like to dare the impossible, and this is actually my favorite core value. Even during the demo development project that I just talked about, we constantly dare the impossible, and the thrill you get after accomplishing it is overwhelming. If you like the challenge and like to dare the impossible, please come join us at Gauss Labs. Awesome. Oh, this went much faster than I thought it.